Hi everyone and welcome. This is Umar from Tutorials Hub, and today we'll be discussing about how to add music to shorts on PC. So before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can use to donate to our channel. So it is quite simple. Head over to your YouTube Studio. It is basically a tool to manage your YouTube videos. Then you're going to be heading over to Audio Library on the left side of your screen. You should be able to see that once you are on your YouTube Studio, and browse through the library of YouTube Music. Those are completely copyright free. You can use tools like Adobe Express or Premiere Pro to download your YouTube library video and add your music to it. So you can use CapCut or any easy video editor tool to incorporate your YouTube music onto that. Eventually, once you do that, you will be able to get it onto your YouTube Shorts. So that's how you can add music to shorts on a PC, and it is quite simple. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that already. Stay tuned for more and see you guys in the next video.